Plum Banana Milkshake or Plum Banana Milk Smoothie, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the plum recipes and one of the most unique of the banana smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the plum recipes and one of the most different of the plum milkshake recipes and one of the most delicious of the healthy smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the milk recipes and one of the most unique of the healthy milkshake recipes. Today we're going to make plum banana milk smoothie. We've taken around 150 grams of plum, 100 grams of banana, peeled and cut in pieces, and 50 grams of sugar. Now put in the plum pieces. And the banana pieces and the sugar. Close and grind well. Now pour in 300 ml of milk. Close and blend well. Now the plum banana milk smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Pour in the smoothie into the glasses. The final plum banana milk smoothie or plum banana milkshake, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the banana smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the plum smoothie recipes and one of the most different of the plum recipes and one of the most delicious of the banana milkshake recipes and one of the most tastiest of the milkshake recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.